Okay, so this is my first vlog after adding the microphone, and let's see how the sound is. So hello, my name is Dilip Menezes and welcome to my YouTube channel, and please like and subscribe and blah 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 blah. This is what motovloggers do, which is pretty cute. So this is a place where I come often to just have a small spin in the dirt. There are peacocks here in the morning. This place is very quiet and nice. In the evenings, people come here to walk and take a stroll. I don't know, this feels a little weird because I normally don't talk when I ride. I just ride. But I guess the point of motovlogging is to talk and ride, so I'll try and do that. These TKC 80 tires really help in stuff like this. Normally, so one thing, motovloggers normally put the camera on their chin, and I never like that, because especially if you're riding an adventure bike with a you know, like windscreen in front and a GPS in front and everything in front, you just half the screen just goes to waste. There's really no fun seeing a handlebar all the time. So I like to put it on. I like to place the GoPro on top of the helmet, and so when doing that, I had to take the wire, the macaron wire, and loop it around the side of the helmet, and take it into the side of the helmet and stuff it into the cheek pads. I hope I can get some sound. I don't know if it's working or not. I'll find out soon. This is Mapsa. This is the city of Mapsa, and this hillock is called Ukasai. I normally don't like to stand and ride because I'm a lazy bum, but for things like this it's best to stand. I don't know, I don't think so I can just talk and ride all the time. I don't know how they do it. I mean, I guess they don't talk all the time. They just talk when they want to say something. I don't feel like saying anything right now. So this is going to be a pretty shitty first vlog. And I'm going to probably listen to myself and start laughing at my own self. So we are entering the village of Ukasai. And if you like this video, hit the like button, so that it gets shared widely. Google can promote it indirectly, directly, whatever, and I can get more likes after that and more views. Then hit the subscribe button. Because you don't want to miss any other videos, however fucked up they are. And I'll see you in the next video, or maybe not. So the main reason I bought this motovlogging setup is not to do vlogs, but basically to see if I can cut out the wind noise. So when I use the GoPro on top of my helmet, the microphone picks up the wind noise, and that's like really bad. It's just jarring. And so my point here is to check and see if by adding the microphone and keeping it inside the helmet, but keeping my visor open, I want to know if the wind noise is bearable. For that I'll need to go really quick and a straight stretch. At least 75 now. Let's see the wind noise in the recording later. So basically this wind noise is something that I don't want in the videos, or I want the wind but not so loud. So I'm trying to check and see if by adding the microphone in this motovlogging thing I can get rid of the wind noise to an extent. And then of course, if I feel like giving you guys some gyan while I'm riding, I normally dish out gyan after the ride is all over, but while I'm riding, if I want to give out some gyan, then I can, you know, blurt something to the microphone. These are the, you know, Goan village roads, which are fun to ride. Small, winding ups and downs, not much traffic. I normally don't ride so fast for an evening ride because it just doesn't make sense. I mean, you ride slowly to enjoy, but I'm just going fast to check this whole wind noise thing. I'll need to remember to shut my mouth though, because if I say something to myself while I'm riding, which is sometimes I do, I curse a lot. I scream and moan and bitch at people on the road, so all that will come.